Wicks is Misha and Marie.
Agus is Misha Emer. When Anne-Marie and I founded Wild Atlantic Wicks almost 4 years ago, we were adamant that we would use the Irish language because we're both very passionate about it. And this is why you will see in each of our candles we implement an Irish word and also use a phonetic spelling.
This has gone down really well with our customers, both locally and globally, because they're able to use and pronounce the Irish language.
And definitely what we have found in some cases where people have lost a grow for the language through school and haven't used it, they are now starting to use the words more and more, and we wanted to make sure that we were enabling people to do that with our brand.
We use the Irish language on our marketing materials, on our candle care cards, on our emails, and on our website. We even have a Couple of Vocal page where people can look into that particular page and learn Irish words. We also have spread the love for the language out to the community, and we forged a relationship with our local Wales school and set up a transition year programme for the students to be able to come out and work with us and see that the Irish language can be used in business and even on a global level. Thanks very much for listening to our story.
Slán!
Slán! Gur maith agad.